Hey friends and family, we're still alive, but after this video, we may be dead because we're going to do the Spicy Korean Noodle Challenge.
Ooh, so spicy.
When we decided to come to Korea, we watched a ton of videos, obviously, about Korea, and something that I stumbled upon were people doing this video challenge of eating these spicy noodles. They do it from anywhere in the world, but we figured when in Korea, why not eat the spicy noodle? So we're going to do that because it's Saturday night. And
we are super bored.
We're bored in Korea. So for your entertainment, we're going to kill ourselves. Okay, so our noodles are finished. They look very orange and spicy.
The steam is even spicy. It's like flame, so...
Whatever.
There's the...
We're letting them cool a little bit. In the meantime... What are you...
I'm gonna, like, show them. You're not
okay.
showing them. Okay.
So anyway, we have tissues over here because I cry when we eat spicy things. And
then this is aloe water that we got from the store because we figured if aloe is good for sunburns, it's bound to be good for mouth burns.
Right?
So
it makes sense, right?
It makes sense. So I love spicy food. I don't expect this to be that much of a challenge.
I hope this burns my face off.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
So
you ready? Hold
yeah.
on, let me get a bite.
I'm gonna let it cool. All right. Ready?
Hold on.
Too much blowing.
Miso's like watching it, okay? Your glasses are steamed up. Like there's a spice to it, but initially, not that hot.
It's good. It's one of those heats that's gonna like build up though. But I don't think it'll be too bad.
Oh yeah, that was our decision. We had a big discussion about whether the challenge would be to eat this as fast as you can, which some people do, or to just finish it. We figured just finish it because if you eat it so fast, it's not really spicy. No, people make videos of them just eating food on YouTube.
So in Korea, there's this culture called mukbang, and basically when things are spicy, I get the
Yes! Clint gets the hiccups when things are spicy. Oh
even
my
like
god.
a little bit spicy.
This is the freaking best thing ever.
It's not even really that spicy, but people are not going to believe me because I'm hiccuping.
Oh, it's hard to get like not a giant bite.
It's actually really tasty too. Like the flavor is really good. These are totally available in America.
These are totally available in America. I'm glad that they're just right down the street because when I have a cold or something, I love to eat spicy things and just do it. Just knock out whatever you have. It's good though. So funny that you're hiccuping. Are you finished? I thought you were gonna enjoy it. In some of the videos, people like give up after the first bite. It's not that hot. We originally bought the little cups.
Yeah, like a little cup.
But then we were like, go big or
Let's
go
do it.
home, right? Kill ourselves.
Still got another single chair. There it goes. Can you see it?
Uh-huh. Clint's crying on camera. Okay. My last bite.
I'm like sweaty and red.
Just kidding.
is really spicy, but it is so good.
Mostly, it's just freaking delicious. Like, it's spicy, and if I kept eating even more, eventually, I think it would be like...
Oh my god.
Wait, did it work?
Aloe water is the best.
No. I kind of like the heat, though. I don't really want to watch it away.
You get some on your chin, too.
I know. And I feel like this is the worst I can probably look on camera, so...
Probably.
Cross that road.
Right? Weird.
That literally took all the heat away.
Yeah. I mean, it comes back after you
okay.
swallow it, but...
No. It's on my lips. That's
yeah.
why it keeps coming back.
The lips are burning, so...
That's so crazy that it, like,
yeah.
took it away.
So
Anyway.
next time you eat something spicy and you need to cool down, have some aloe water on hand.
Yeah.
I'll wipe this simple
It
tear.
actually works. I think I gave myself a splinter from those wooden chopsticks.
I told you we shouldn't have used them. I said to use the stainless steel chopsticks.
Whatever.
So, anyway, there's our spicy noodle ramen challenge. So,
Hope this was somewhat entertaining. Like I
Yeah.
said, we're just really bored, so we figured we would shoot a video and...
And also, we're not really affected by spicy food. This is the first thing in Korea that we've had that I've been like, I need something to drink. So, yeah. Anyway, we love you guys. Thanks for watching all of our videos. You're the best. We'll do some more snack stuff if you guys want us to in the future.
We've tried a couple crazy things already, so we'll do it on video.
All right.
Bye.
Love you guys. Bye.